Agency Setup. From the main form, click on Setup Items. Under Payroll Setup Items, click on Agency Items. You will begin by filling out your agency name, address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. The abbreviated name is the name that will be used in file names for files created by the program. You will need to make sure and include an email address for some of the electronic filing routines require it. Default wage. This is the wage rate that will be used in the event you have not set up a wage rate record for a given attendant. Under the federal setup, include your federal EIN, aggregate federal EIN if you have one. The federal withholding schedule will be biweekly. The designee is the name of the person in your agency whose name will appear on various withholding documents. The batch filer ID is a number IRS will assign you when you apply to be able to file federal withholding items using batch filing. Master Inquiry PIN. This is the PIN that you will use for the IRS batch filing system. ODFI routing. The routing number for which to send your batch payments. Federal Reserve routing direct deposit to Fed. The routing number for the Federal Reserve to make deposits goes here. Under State Setup, CDS NPI, In-Home NPI, CDS Taxonomy, and In-Home Taxonomy will be given to you by the state. EmoMed ID. Your EmoMed ID is your login user ID that you will use for Medicaid billing site. This is essential for creating batch billing files. Medicaid Payer ID. This is the federal EIN of the organization operating the state Medicaid site. In Missouri, this is 431-754-897. Medicaid billing type. There are 3 types of Medicaid billing. Self-billed. You are going to create your own batch files and submit them to the state Medicaid site. Metasoft. You are going to submit files to Metasoft and have it handle your Medicaid billing. Shepherd Communications. You are going to key in your billing items to Shepherd Communications software for billing purposes. From here, we will go back to the payroll setup items and set up our financials. Fill in the name and routing number of the financials that your attendants are using. Notice that the direct deposit will work with only these 2 pieces of information, the name of the financial and the routing number. Routing numbers are 9 digits long. Please double check the number if the routing number is more than 9 digits. A shorter number will have zeros added to the left side by the program to make the number 9 digits long. Financial institutions must be set up here before you can use them in the direct deposit setups for your attendants.